Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we will be learning how to redeem your Roblox code. So if you are looking for videos like this or if you need help, just make sure to stick till the end and watch the video. Now let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Roblox account on your desktop. It doesn't matter any browser you use, but make sure to log into your Roblox account. Then to redeem your Roblox code, on the top left corner you will see three line icon. So go ahead and click on there. Now on your screen you will see multiple options. So just look on down and see. I hope you might see gift card. So go ahead and click on gift cards. And now you will be directed to the next page. So again, to redeem, on your top right corner near the location option, you will see redeem card. So just go ahead and click on there. Now again, what you need to do is provide your code, and guys, please make sure that you enter the correct code. After you are done with that, the last step is just go ahead and click on redeem option. But before that, make sure that your time period for code hasn't expired. If it has expired, then you will not be able to enter the code again. So with that being said, in this way you will be able to redeem your Roblox code. If this video helped you or if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe our channel, give us a thumb, and be updated with more videos like this. And thank you for watching.